Have you ever wondered how Siri understands your commands or how Alexa responds to your queries? How does your email filter out spam messages? The answer lies in a fascinating field of study known as natural language processing, often abbreviated as NLP. Imagine a world where machines can understand and respond to human language, understand sentiment, extract meaning, and even generate human-like text. That's the world natural language processing aims to create. It's a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on the interaction between computers and humans through natural language. The goal is to enable computers to understand, interpret, and mimic human language in a valuable way. To put it in simple terms, natural language processing is like teaching an alien how to understand human language. It's about developing methods, algorithms, and technologies that allow computers to understand our language with all its rules, slang, and nuances. The process involves several steps, starting with data collection, then text cleaning and pre-processing, feature extraction, and finally, model training and evaluation. Each of these steps plays a crucial role in transforming raw human language into something a machine can understand. Firstly, data collection involves gathering a large amount of text data. This could be anything from tweets to news articles to entire books. The more diverse the data, the better the machine will understand the complexities of human language. Next comes text cleaning and pre-processing. This involves removing unnecessary elements like punctuation, numbers, and special characters, as well as converting all text to the same case. This step also includes tokenization, which is breaking down the text into individual words or tokens. Then the process of feature extraction begins. This involves turning text into a format that a machine learning model can understand, often called a vector. This process can involve many techniques, from counting the frequency of each word to more complex methods like word embeddings. Lastly, the prepared data is fed into a machine learning model, which is then trained to perform a specific task, like understanding sentiment, translating language, or answering questions. The model is then evaluated and refined until it performs the task accurately. NLP is not just a fascinating field of study, but it's also a transformative technology with numerous applications, from improving customer service to detecting fake news and even helping doctors diagnose diseases. So the next time Siri understands your command or your email correctly filters out a spam message, you'll know a little more about the technology behind it.